From this video, everyone will get $15 for free for per account. Everyone will get $15 in his account. So if you create one account, then you will get $15, and if you create 10 accounts, then you will get $150. So this is very big. So if you watch this video carefully till the end, then you will get very much big profit from this. So if you belongs to India, then you know that $1 is equal to 75 rupees. So if you create 10 accounts, and if you get $15, and if you multiply this into 75, then you will get up to 1000 rupees. So this is very big airdrop. So if you new to my channel, then must subscribe to my channel, and if you don't join to my Telegram channel, then what you are doing, just go and join this, because I will provide each and every airdrop on my Telegram channel, and I will give this website link on my Telegram channel. So what you want to do, just click on that link, you will redirect it to your browser. Then you want to sign up on this page. So you have to create new account because you are new user. So you just want to enter your email and create new passwords. Then click on create account. Then your account successfully created, but you want to verify your email ID. So I will tell you how you can create and how you can earn $15. So this offer is special for all users in all country. So this is very big and very nice project. So what you want to do, just you will redirect it to this page. Now you have to verify your email. So you will get this type of email. So you have to confirm your email. So click on this, then you will redirect to your that website. So just click on that. After that, you will redirect it to this page. Then you will see that email has been confirmed. So when you see this page, you will automatically redirect it to this page. Now what you want to do, just click on rewards button. So when you click on rewards button, you will see this type of page. So I will just click on that. Now you have seen that you will get 0 points. So I will explain you this all things. Just watch carefully this video. So first of all, click on check-in button. When you click on this, you will get 1.2 10 points easily by just check-in. So I will just click on any one of coin. When you click, you will randomly get 1.2 100 coins. So this is very nice. You have to check in daily, then you will get I have get 2 tokens. So you have to click daily, check in daily, so you will get more points. So I have now 3 points. So now here you have to click on claim button. When you click on claim, you will get more 10 TP coins. So just click on claim, because you have verified your email, so you will get 10 tier points. So when you go back, you will see that your points are added to that page. So you can see that I have now 13 TP points. So this is very nice. Now what you want to do, when you add your phone number, you will get more 10 TP coins. So when you add this, you will get more tokens. Now when you complete, then your points will be 20 up to 20. Now I will show one more type. So when you set up your 2FA, so this is very easy. I will not show in video because video will be very large or long. So you have to set up your 2FA. How you can set up, you have, or when you complete KYC, you will get more TP tokens. But now don't do KYC. When I will tell on my Telegram channel, then you can complete your KYC. Now I will show you how to get 10 more TP coins by this, because this process is critical. This is very complicated, but this is not difficult. So what you want to do, just click on 3 lines, then you will see this type of page. So now you have to go to demo trader option. So just click on that option. You will redirect it to this type of page. So this is your demo account and you will get 8 Bitcoin for free, but you cannot withdraw this because this is only demo, this is fake Bitcoin. So now you have to complete one order. So what you want to do, you will get this type of graph. So you have to select that whether Bitcoin price will go up or down. So just this is very simple, you can select any, you will not get any profit or you will not get any loss. So this is very simple, just go down and you have to enter any amount, then you can select buy or sell. If you think that Bitcoin will go up, then you have to select buy, or if you think it will go down, then you can select sell. So now you have to click on confirm button. When you click on confirm, your order will be successfully placed. So you can see that position open, request sent. When it will confirm, you will see here your position open. So you can see that. So now your work is done. Now what you want to do, just click on 3 lines, then you have to go on your rewards. So you can see that my points are not added, but you have to claim first, then your 10 TP points will add it. So just click on claim button, you will get successfully 10 TP tokens. So this is very easy. Now I will show you how you can earn more TP points. So just click on rewards. That I have told you that when you complete KYC, you will get 10 more TP points. When you add your number, then you will get more TP points. So by these steps you have to collect 100 TP points. So this is very easy, this is not difficult, because when you check in daily, you will get more points. Then you have to set up 2FA by Google Authenticator. You can download app from Play Store. So this is very easy and you can complete all this task. When you complete all this, you will get more TP points. When you completed 100 TP points, you have to click on redeem button. When you click on redeem, then you can see that. So this is event page. I will go to my redeem page. When you click on this, you will see that 100 points is equal to $15. So I will just show you that how you can get this. So this is lucky spin. We don't do anything on this page, just scroll down and you will see the minimum 100 TP points to convert your bonus. So just click on this, then you have to go to this button. Now when you have 100 TP points, then you can convert it to $15 USDT bonus. So this is very big and very nice. So when you will complete all this, then I will make video on it how you can withdraw these tokens to your bank or any crypto exchange wallet. So this is very big and very nice project, therefore I will making this video for you. So if you create one account, then you will get $15. When you create 10 accounts, then you will get $150. So this is very big airdrop. So I will give all these links on my Telegram channel. So if you're new, then subscribe, like and share this video.